In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Drive upload date. If you've ever wished you could tweak the upload date on a file in Google Drive, here's the simple, reliable workaround. You can't directly edit the upload date inside Drive, but you can refresh it by downloading the file, removing it from Drive, and then re-uploading it to the same place. Let's walk through it clearly so you know exactly what to do and why each step matters. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. From the main Drive home screen, navigate to the folder that contains the file whose upload date you want to update. Opening the folder first keeps everything organized so the re-upload lands in the right spot. Select the file. With the file highlighted, choose the download option. You'll find a download icon near the top of the interface, or you can right-click and choose download. This saves a copy to your computer, ensuring you keep the exact version and file name you're working with. Wait for the download to finish before moving on, especially for larger files, so you don't end up re-uploading an incomplete copy. Next, remove the file from Drive. Click the delete or remove option to send it to the trash. This clears the original out of the folder, which helps prevent duplicate names or confusion when you bring the file back. Don't worry, removed files typically sit in the trash for a while, so you have a safety net if you need to restore it. Now return to your folder and click the New button in the top left corner. Choose File Upload. In the file picker, select the same file you just downloaded to your computer. Using the same file name and putting it back in the same folder will make your library feel seamless. Let the upload complete. The time this takes depends on your internet speed and file size. Once the upload finishes, Google Drive will display a fresh upload date for that file. Keep in mind that because this is effectively a new upload, it also gets a new internal file ID. That means any old links or shares tied to the previous version won't automatically carry over. If others need access, be aware you may need to share the newly uploaded file again using the new link. That's it. By downloading, removing, and re-uploading, you've successfully changed the upload date in Google Drive while keeping your files tidy and up to date.